Hey everyone, welcome to Bubli's World Cuisine. My today's recipe is oat milk, or in other words, you can say fancy milk, because they can get so pricey on supermarket shelves. But you can make it with a fraction of the price at home, and when you make it at home, you know that there are no preservatives going in. Isn't that great? All you need is some super simple ingredients. Usually you have them at home. Now, I have tried different ways for making it, and some of the techniques make it slimy. So, I'm going to share with you my simple tips and tricks, which will give you quality oat milk with a fraction of the price, and it won't be slimy. So, the first thing is oat. Now, you want to use classic oats, you don't want to use any other ones. I have 1 cup of oat here, and that will give you quite a lot of milk. My first tip for you is using icy cold water. Now, oat has a tendency to be slimy when you put hot water to it. So, you want to make sure that your water is really, really cold so that when you pour oat on that, it doesn't get slimy. So this is my oat. We are gonna need 1 cup of oat, and this will give you a lot of milk. So I have measured it, and now it goes on a blender jug. I have already measured my water. I have 4 cups of water which I'm pouring in, and you don't need to soak it for any time. Now we are going to add some sweetener, and I'm giving you two choice, either honey or maple syrup. Today I'm gonna go for maple syrup, and you need 1 tablespoon of it. So if you want to use honey, you will use 1 tablespoon. And this goes in, and this will make it just a teeny tiny bit sweet, just like the store-bought one. The next ingredient is flavoring, and I'm putting a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You want to use a good quality one. And closing the lid. Now you want to blend them. And there is my tip number 2. You don't want to blend them for a very long time, because when blender is blending something, it creates heat. And as I told you before, that if you put hot water or heat to oat, it will get slimy. So within a couple of minutes, your oat milk should be done, and I'll show you how it looks like, bit frothy. Now you want to transfer it, but you want to use a mesh cloth or a cheesecloth or a nut milk cloth. Now you want to make sure it is fine so that your milk can sieve through. Okay, everything is going in. And now I will give you my next tip, which is not squeezing it very hard. Now, most of the liquid will come out from it anyways, but towards the end, you will need to squeeze it. Now, you don't want to squeeze it very hard, because that will make it more slimy. Just squeeze it lightly and let the liquid come out of it. Okay, just like that. And that's our oat milk all ready. Okay, and this is the leftover which you get after straining, and you can use it for many recipes. Now I want to show you how my oat milk has come out. It's not slimy, it looks almost similar to the store-bought one, and it's not pricey at all. This milk will stay good in your refrigerator for around 7 days. Now, if you like this recipe, or if you have a friend or family member who will get benefit out of this recipe, please share it with them. And if you liked it, please give a thumbs up to encourage me. Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you have any questions, just put them on the comment box below. Bye.